Ayun guys, good morning. Happy breakfast uli. Ito na yung egg sandwich natin. Tara, kain. Saktong-sakto yung timpla nung ginawa natin na pang egg sandwich. Last bite. Egg sandwich guys. Happy breakfast. Sarap.